to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something totally different. We are going to be baking s'mores cookies using Cadbury Dairy Milk, which is going to be giving it a yummy twist. And why did we decide to make s'mores cookies? Because we missed the beach so much before when we used to travel a lot.
And I used the campfire like this thing.
Exactly. When we used to travel a lot, we used to bring marshmallows with us and graham crackers and of course Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate, and we would make s'mores by the bonfire. We just made so many wonderful memories that way.
You can just put the marshmallow to the campfire and then when it's burned, you can eat it.
Exactly. We'd like to thank Cadbury Dairy Milk for sponsoring this video, and we're so excited to try this out. So I think this is a great way to bond with your kids, with the whole family, because this is a recipe that's very easy to do, and we are very excited to show you how easy it is to do with your kids. Right, Tris?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. So first we need butter, sugar, brown sugar, 1 large egg, milk, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, graham cracker crumbs, baking soda, salt, cinnamon. Of course, we will need Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate for this, and we will need marshmallows. And that's it, Tris. Are you ready to start baking?
Yeah!
Okay, so the first thing that we need is a large bowl. And in this bowl, we are going to cream butter and sugars until light and fluffy for 5 to 7 minutes. So you have to make sure that your butter is softened. Okay, so first we're gonna put in white sugar.
Oh, that's fast.
And then we're going to put in the brown sugar.
Oh, I want to do it.
Okay, mix it up. That's good, Tris.
I'm gonna make it.
How many more minutes, Tris? It's not as fluffy as I would like, but I think this is okay already. Okay, so next we have to beat in the egg, the milk, and the vanilla.
Grab it first.
Open it. Next we put in the milk. Show it. There.
It's gonna wait for Mom.
And then we are going to put in flour, graham crackers, and baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. But first, we're going to crush the graham crackers. Let's really do it. Slowly, slowly. There. Baking soda. We have salt over here.
Oh! Now mix it.
Look at that.
Yeah. I can smell it.
Okay, so we have already mixed the cookie dough mixture. This is how it looks. And then, to make it super yummy, we are going to add secret ingredient, Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate. So we're going to cut this up with a knife and add it to this mixture to make this super duper chocolatey. We're going to cut it up first, okay? So you can add it here.
What? You're making it like a chocolate chip?
Okay, so I cut it up into smaller pieces to make them like chocolate chips. You want to add more?
Yeah, more.
More? There you go. Gosh, look at that. So good. This is it. This is our cookie dough mixture, and we are so excited to start baking. Okay, so we're going to be using an ice cream scooper to scoop up the right quantity for the cookies. Let's try it first with 6, okay? So we are so excited. We're going to pop this in the oven and see how it tastes. This looks so good and yummy. So we're going to be putting marshmallows to make these s'more cookies. So we have to put it on top and top. Okay? So we're gonna pop these in the microwave, and we are gonna get s'more cookies.
Oh!
It's done! And here we are. We have s'mores cookies made with Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate. I'm so excited to bite into these smooth and creamy chocolatey cookies. So let's try it out. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Super sticky. Is it good?
Yeah.
This is so good. This reminds me so much of s'mores that we make at the beach. And so crunchy. The cookie is so crunchy. And of course the marshmallow is so gooey and yummy. This is so delicious. So good. So this is such an easy recipe to make with your kids. It is so much fun. These cookies are so deliciously chocolatey, so smooth, creamy, and delicious. Thanks so much for watching until the end. We really love this recipe and we are definitely going to make this in the weeks and months to come. Thank you again to Cadbury Milk Chocolate for sponsoring this video. It was really fun to make. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below what you think of this recipe, or if you've tried this recipe, let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video.
Yay!